So you can use the 1031 to scale up. You sell a house in the Trees Corridor, you trade that into a 3-1 in Gladstone. 2 years later, you trade that in on a house in Overland Park. A couple years later, you trade that into an apartment deal. You can trade multiple properties into one property. You can trade one property into multiple properties. And you can even change your asset class. You can trade a house into an oil lease. I traded into 7 acres of Metcalf. I traded into this on the Plaza, 27-unit high-rise. That started out as, I want to say, 60 or so, 65 doors in Quindaro. I traded that into this 154-unit Class A complex in Des Moines. And I only own this part over here, 26%. I don't have to manage it though. Somebody else does that. There's my 7 acres on Metcalf, my little dog park. And this is the trick. I'm going to get out of paying these capital gains completely. And my secret for that is I'm going to die. My heirs get a cost basis reset. And I get to go to the grave. Sam, I didn't do it. You don't have to blur their fingers on the video. Which brings me to my next axiom. Plan for where you will be in 10 years, not where you are today. So, flippers, wholesalers, have we got any of those in here? Yay. Any of you rich? So flippers and wholesalers, they get the when you buy part, and only flippers get the renovation, and they leave all the rest of this on the table. They don't get any of this. I have a couple wholesalers I buy from, and every time I'm like, why didn't you buy this? Next one. I'll do the next one.
And he's on me hard.
Not just you. Yeah. And you guys get to pay short-term capital gain rates. 30%, 33%, something like that. I hate taxes. Ugh, that'd kill me.